Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to turn off emergency alerts on your Android phone. Go to Settings. Got to Apps and Notifications. Go to Advanced. Go to Emergency Alerts for the option to turn off Amber Alerts, Extreme Threats and Severe Threats.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to turn off Amber Alerts on an Android. Open the Settings app and tap Apps and Notifications. This menu may also be called just Notifications. Tap Advanced, and then select Wireless Emergency Alerts from the options that appear. On the page that opens, toggle off Amber Alerts to disable them.
Let's help you make your mark.
To find your notifications, from the top of your phone screen, swipe down. Touch and hold the notification, and then tap Settings. Choose your settings. To turn off all notifications, tap Notifications Off. Turn on or off notifications you want to receive. To allow notification dots, tap Advanced, then turn them on.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Check your phone settings and make sure you have emergency alerts turned on. If you're with someone who got a WEA alert and you did not, the FCC recommends checking that your phone is WEA capable, turned on, and getting service from a carrier's cell tower that participates in WEA. Not all carriers do.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.